To create a connection with the database, this is the place where program.cs is the place where we will be registering the service or the context file which we have created in the previous session. Service is dot add DB context or type add DB context. So it expects options which can be picked from the options dot use SQL server. So the connection string of the SQL server is available in the app.json, right? App settings.json. This can be get using builder dot configuration dot 1 minute. And there is a function about get connection string of the name which we had given to the connection string. I have named this as default connection string, so we can just copy this and paste it over here. So this is how the DB is getting registered to the app. Thank you.